The snow is now on the ground, and for those of you that live in a climate where we park our vehicles for the winter, it's time to put them away. One thing I've always wanted to build for storing my cars in the winter are some 2x4 wheel stands. And I thought today I showed you guys how I'm going to put them together. I went to Home Depot and picked up 8-foot long 2x4s, and I made 36 14-inch long pieces and 36 16-inch long pieces. Now let's get to assembly. First, I'm going to start with 3 16-inch pieces, and then 2 14-inch pieces, and then 2 16-inch pieces until they are 9 pieces tall. One complete. I made it 8 2x4s tall, which is a total of exactly 1 foot. I think this will give some very nice working height underneath the truck, and it can sit on these all winter. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.